Hello, in this video I'm going to show you what to do if Bluetooth is not connecting on your Nokia 5. The first step you should take is, as always, to scroll up, turn Bluetooth off and then back on again. If this does not help your problem, try going into your Bluetooth settings, tapping and holding onto the Bluetooth device or tapping the little gear to the right of it and unpairing the device and then trying to pair with it again. If that doesn't help it, you could try going into settings, here scrolling down to System, Advanced, Reset Options, Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile and Bluetooth, Reset Settings, using your pattern and resetting them. If this still doesn't help, try just turning off your device and then turning it back on. And also you could try resetting your phone like such by clicking here. If that does not help, try going to settings and checking if your system is up to date by going down here to System Update. But if it is, then it might be a problem with your Bluetooth device. Try checking if the Bluetooth device works with other devices, with other phones. If it does, then try giving your phone to service so they can fix up the Bluetooth in it. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.